Good morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Wednesday, the 8th of May, 2019. We're just after 9:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. And of course, the elephant in the room, and it's a big one, is what happens come Friday morning, 12:01 a.m., with President Trump raising or deciding not to raise tariffs on China. We're learning more about what's going on. We're learning that how much of the editing was done in papers that were delivered over, I guess, Friday through Sunday to Mr. Mnuchin and Robert Lighthizer, and all the changes that the Chinese backtracked on. Interesting, because the president this morning released another one of his statements, and he said, you know, the reason they're doing this is they're hoping that he won't get into office on the next election, and they can deal with somebody that is not as rough. He's probably correct on that in his assumption. So, as you can see, a down day today in stocks. I'm surprised the gold came down as much as it did, but it did. Energy markets stable. They're looking to see what the EIA reports are. I'm going to be on Bloomberg News at 9:50 a.m. this morning. So if you get a chance, you can tune that on, and we'll see what they ask me. Probably going to be on energy, from what I can see. All eyes, as I said, are on Washington. Now, the Conference Board Help Wanted Index, it's a good number, 1037. The prior went up from 1023 to 1048, and that's still good. Housing starts in Canada came on pace, up 22% over March. They keep saying that they're doing better in housing, and I'm believing them. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand cut its official cash rate by a quarter point today to 1.5%. This is the bank's first interest rate cut since 2016. World trade right at the center of it and how it's impacting New Zealand. And then we have Iran doing what they said they would do. They announced that they're going to stop complying, and the key word here is with some aspects of the 2015 nuclear deal. What it is that, in a nutshell, they're going to give Europe 60 days to put a deal together for them on their banking and trade. Europe has said they would do it. They haven't done one deal in this yet. And I don't know how they get around the U.S. banking system to do it. We'll figure that out, or they will. And if you take a look at what's going on, they're going to just start producing left and right. Obviously, they're saying, gee, as a terrorist state, we might as well produce our nuclear weapons and be a terrorist state. Okay, that's what they say they want to do. And if you read all this, it's all about nuclear enrichment and making weapons once again. So that's where the world is right now, and obviously, as I said, that elephant in the room, and be careful. This is the Chinese trade deal. How much of this is being priced into the market? What takes place? Your guess is as good as anybody else's, and trying to trade this is very, very difficult. One of the things that we do, though, is we talk about guide to technical indicators. And we have volumes 1 and 2 for you. And believe me, if you watch my end of the day show, you want to get this because it explains the different oscillators, moving averages, a lot that people talk about from Fibonacci to Gann, how it's done, where you're at with it. It's totally free. Simply give us a call at 866-973-2077. You can go to our website at www.iraepstein.com as well. It'll be right there in our list of free offers, on our carousel of free offers on our front page. And you can always click up here to get to our website if you're watching me on YouTube. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a good day. I'll see you this afternoon with our end of the day videos.